Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're making some shrimp and beef stir fry. So in this bowl we have the shrimp, which has been washed with lemon and vinegar, and over here we have 2 packages of stir fry beef strips. So for the beef, we're cooking like 3 packages of the stir fry beef stir fry. So in this bowl I have some Scotch bonnet pepper. I have 2 Scotch bonnet pepper. I have sorry guys, I have some red and yellow sweet peppers, and 2 onion chopped, and 6 cloves of garlic chopped. I've also added some green onion. So here I have 2 carrots I cut into strips, and I have some broccoli here. Season my beef strips and my shrimp with some soy sauce, all-purpose season, Maggi all-purpose seasoning, and some Sazón tropical seasoning. And I'm going to allow that to sit for 10 minutes. There it is. My shrimp and my beef strips. So here I'm adding my beef strip to the hot oil. So I'm going to cover my pot and allow it to fry. Now I'm going to add the shrimp to the pot. So I've added carrots to the pot, and now I'm stirring. I'm going to add my broccoli to the pot.